What's going on, everyone? Chase with Shinefy here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to earn over $1,000 a day with AI video and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry. You're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to do to get started today. And I'm also going to give you a bunch of free stuff. I'm going to give you a free checklist, a free VIP Discord group, and two softwares that I've been building over the last few years. These software companies have cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars to build. I'm going to be giving you all of this stuff for free today, so I hope you're excited. And if you are excited, let me know. Do me a favor, respond with the word yes in the comments right now. Lets me know to make more videos like this for you in the future. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into exactly what we need to do to get started and how this actually works. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the first tool on the list called Shinefy. So if you head over to shinefy.com and enter your email, you're going to get taken to a 7-day free trial. And the idea is that we're going to help you hopefully make your first sale within those 7 days. Now, you're also going to be getting access to our other company, ShineRanker, when you sign up for the trial for Shinefy. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using both of these softwares to basically find trending topics that people are looking for, and we're going to be able to create content for those using AI. So let me explain first of all what these two different companies are actually geared for. So what are we doing with them? So Shinefy, it's an AI video generator, and the way it works is you can type in whatever you want. So you could type in something like, make me a video for AI tools, and Shinefy will go and use ChatGPT to actually generate a script, and then it will actually use ChatGPT as well to generate the voice and the images, and it's going to throw all that together and throw it into a video. Now, Shinefy also just got a new feature where we actually use stock video as well, so if you don't want to use AI-generated images in your videos, you can actually use stock video too. So that's how Shinefy works. It also has a video transcriber, so you can actually take content that you have found that's already viral, and you can actually regenerate it and have ChatGPT rewrite that content so that you can basically take a proven to work video and then create it as your own. Now, ShineRanker, the other company, is a SEO tool. Now, what SEO is it stands for search engine optimization. Search engine optimization basically means we're trying to optimize our content so that we can show up on places like Google, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, any of the social media platforms, by the way, are search engines. So we want to show up on all of them, right? And so we use ShineRanker to actually find what are the things that people are typing in. And we actually use AI in that company as well. We use ChatGPT to actually discover what are the most trendy topics and what are people searching for. And ChatGPT actually will go and enrich that data when we type in a word, and it'll tell us what's the most trending topics that people are looking for. Now, we're going to combine both of these companies, both of these tools together, which again, you're going to get a free trial for if you go to shinefy.com right now, and we're going to be able to build viral type content that we can actually generate leads with. Now, I've actually done this for myself. I've seen people generate millions of views with Shinefy videos, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing to get those views and to actually turn those views into leads. So again, this is stuff that I test myself. If you look at some of my videos on my Instagram, on my Facebook, I've actually been able to generate millions and millions of views with these AI generated videos, but more importantly, I'm also generating leads which turn into sales. So I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. And the best part about this too is you can even offer this as a service. Okay, so step one, go grab Shinefy, grab the free trial. And then once you're in Shinefy, you're going to go over to ShineRanker, which right now we're about to iframe it into Shinefy. It's not actually built into Shinefy yet because it's a partner company. But if you go to app.shineranker.com after you sign up for Shinefy, you will be able to log into your ShineRanker account and you can start doing keyword research. Now, the way keyword research works in ShineRanker is very simple. You head to the viral topic finder. You type in a topic that you want to get views for. So let's say you want to get views for AI. You type in AI, and then what's going to happen is we're going to get a huge list of different topics that people are searching for around AI. Not only are we going to get the list of topics, but we're also going to see how searched those topics are. So we can see on the left, we have all the different topics, and on the right, we have how many people are searching for those topics per month. We also get something called keyword difficulty. And so if you actually select on update all difficulty, you can actually see how difficult it is to show up for those different keywords. Now, what you want to do is you want to find a keyword when you're starting out that's something that is highly searched, but also lower difficulty. And the idea is that if you can show up for something that's lower difficulty, let's say you show up for a keyword difficulty of 1, then you go to 2, and then you go to 3. So you work your way up. Now, if you can show up for a very difficult keyword, chances are you're going to get a lot of searches. But again, I recommend starting out with the lower difficulty because it means that there's less competition. There's more of a chance for you to actually show up for that topic. Now that you have your topic, what you can do is you can bring that topic over to Shinefy. But I want to give you another option just so you know what's in ShineRanker. One of the things you can actually do is now that you found that topic, you can head over to the content tool that we have that will actually allow us to figure out what people are putting on their website to show up for this topic. Because if a website is showing up on Google for that topic, chances are you can use similar content to show up on places like YouTube, Instagram, so on and so on. And so if you plug your viral keyword into the content tool, what will happen is ShineRanker will actually figure out what are the top 10 websites doing, how many words they have on the pages, how many headings do they have, how many images. Now what ShineRanker will do is it'll take all those averages and it'll tell us that we need to have certain words and certain types of things to show up for that keyword. And so you can actually optimize your video within the content ranker so that you can see what averages do you need to hit, not just to show up on Google, but to show up on the other platforms as well. But if you want to bypass this step and you don't care about Google and you don't care about hitting the averages, you can always just head straight over to Shinefy. Now, again, you can take that keyword once you're in Shinefy and you can do one of two things. You can either plug the keyword into the idea tool and it'll just build you a script, or you can plug it into the AI chat and then have ChatGPT build you a video that you can then throw into the text to video, where it's just going to take all the words you put in there and it's going to turn all of those words into a video. It's going to read off them. It's going to do all the image prompting or the stock video prompting, and it's just going to spit out the video from that. So it's up to you. Now, you can also, if you have a topic that you have found there's a lot of people searching, you can head over to somewhere like YouTube or TikTok and you can plug that topic in, and then you can figure out who's actually showing up for that thing. Now, if you just take a viral video that's already proven to get millions of views, you can throw that into the Shinefy transcriber and boom, now you have content that you already know is going to work, and you can just regenerate that as many times as you want. Now, the cool thing about Shinefy is that we can keep regenerating videos that follow a similar trend. So for example, let's say you find a trend around the top 5 AI tools or the top 5 websites. You can keep regenerating a video over and over and over, basically talking about sort of the same things, but ChatGPT is going to rewrite it so that's unique each time. And you can have different stock video in it, different AI images, because every single video you generate in Shinefy is going to be unique, because it's never going to be the same prompt. It's never going to be the same images. It's always going to be unique, which is really, really cool. So that's how you use the combination of those two tools to start producing content. Now, how do you actually turn that content into leads? Let's say you're posting on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you're posting everywhere. Well, guess what? If you're just starting out, it might take a little while to warm those accounts up. Sometimes I see accounts go like that. Other times and they start getting tons of views. Other times I see people post for a month and they're barely getting any views. So sometimes you do have to do some experimenting. Sometimes you have to let the account sit there and you have to keep being consistent, posting to it every day before you start to see results. But if you want to fast track it, you could always go and acquire a brand, right? We actually go and acquire our own Instagram profiles. We reach out to people and say, hey, are you interested in selling your company? And sometimes people let go of their Instagram for $500, $200. It just really depends on who you're reaching out to. And then also, you can run ads, right? So if you run ads, you can actually boost your content to reach more people more quickly. But the idea is that you're not going to start getting leads until you start obviously getting some traction, some views, some followers. Now, as you start to get some views, what you want to do is you want to do something called a CTA in your video. What a CTA basically means is it's just a call to action. So what do we want to do? We want to make sure that people are being told what to do in the video. So pretty much all of my videos, including this one, if you remember in the beginning, I said respond with the word yes if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. I recommend you do that the same thing in your short form content. You want to tell people, hey, if you want to learn more about this or that, make sure you respond with the word yes in the comments. And then when people respond with that word, whatever the word is, we can actually use robots like ManyChat to go and interact with all those people. And we can send them DMs and send them to the things that we're selling. Now, in terms of making money, how do we make money with this? Okay, yeah, people are clicking on our links. Well, there's so many different things you could sell. You could sell these videos as a service. You could sell an affiliate, right? You could actually promote Shinefy and ShineRanker and you can get an affiliate cut for it because we actually have an affiliate program. Or you can promote other tools. I actually have a list of 400 AI tools that I'm gonna give you today. It'll be in the link in the description of this video. And you can promote any one of those tools in these videos. And so the possibilities are endless of what you can actually do with this content. It's absolutely crazy. And so what I recommend is if you're just starting out, again, you've never used AI before, you've never used ChatGPT, I think this is one of the most simple ways to do it because all you really have to do is find a viral topic and pair it with a video that you're going to be creating. And you'd be amazed by how quickly you could actually start getting traction with these videos. So let me know again, call to action here. Let me know if you want to stay updated with more videos like this and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. I'm all ears. I'm happy to make more videos for you. Just tell me your ideas in the comments. I'm open to hearing what you're interested in hearing about. So have fun. Let me know how it goes, and we'll see you very soon. Till we do, happy money making. See you next time. Bye.